What's up, beautiful people of the YouTube nation? Welcome back to Spot Swimming Lobster. Right now we are on our way to go check out the mother-in-law's car. Apparently it was giving her problems last night. I went out here late to try to assist her, and we're going to see if it will start. So, speaking of cars and starting, the Ford seems to be doing okay. We're in it right now. We're gonna park this one right here. Got a lot going on, folks. I'm praying. Here's the plan. Hopefully this thing will start. Let's try to get this going here. Let's turn this one off. What I'm hoping is that this will start and I can just drive it back to the house. It's relatively close. I'm just glad she didn't break down. She went to TJ last night. And I'm just thinking that it's probably a good thing. Okay. Make sure I have my keys here. Got them. Do I have her keys for her car? Got them. Okay, let's roll. Let's do this. Alright, so she went to Mexico last night, came back, stopped here at the taco shop, and came over to the house, and then came back to get the food, and got a phone call. So let's see. Alright. Well, it's not a battery. Scoot the seat back so we can get in here. I don't know. Oh my god, this is for like little people. Oh jeez. Really? Take the brake off. Oh yeah. Ooh. We're driving this baby right now. Okay, so apparently, this is a 2007 Jeep Cherokee. All I did last night, it kept saying something like transmission. Oh my god! Look at this. It kept saying transmission temp over. So I told her I would just bring her home. All right, and we'll let this car sit for a minute. Now this 2006 and 2007 Jeep Cherokees are notorious for this, I don't want to call it a fluke or there's an issue with it. It's the car basically gets amnesia. Okay. It's going through its cycle right now. Washer fluid is low. Okay. I think what the problem was, because when I first put the key in, it didn't turn over. It's very temperamental. There's telling me there's some kind of like corrosion or something. Maybe when that area of the car gets hot. Good God, I didn't realize how small she is. It's like the mirrors, I can't. Well, this is gonna give me some brownie points. This is a clean little car though. But yeah, that was lucky right there. My luck is turning around. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. See, here's the thing. When things like this happen, people get stressed. I mean, I stress. I'm not gonna bullshit you. I get stressed all the time. But I can't let it eat me away like that. Like some people worry about it or whatever. So I just kind of go with the punches, man. You know, I got a lot going on. A lot. But I'm grateful. Right now, you know, I'm a planner. I'm a prepper. I prepare for the future. But at the moment, with this whole COVID thing, am I even supposed to say that? Nah. I don't know. Who knows? But I just did. Because that's what's going on. I'm taking things kind of a little bit more of a short-term basis, you know, taking them as they go. I ended up going into my part-time job yesterday. Didn't want to because I had things here to do, but then I got to thinking about it. It's like, you know what? Money's tight. We're moving. I need every little scrap I can get right now. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna park the car here. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn it off. It's only got 131,000 miles. Okay. Crazy. That is insane. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do today though. Now that I have it in the driveway, we're gonna drive the Cadillac. It's gonna go over to where I'm working right now. I got the okay to park it there. That car is in the California retirement program, waiting for the state to call me back. Well, they're gonna send me a letter actually, to let me know if we're gonna get rid of it. It's a shame. I like it. I love it actually. I love my Cadillac. Oh my God, it's so... Jesus. Okay. Well, there she is.